Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use automation in Zoho Inventory. This is an incredibly powerful feature that can save you hours of manual work by automatically handling repetitive tasks like sending notifications, updating fields, or creating tasks whenever certain conditions are met. Let's jump right in and get this set up. First, you'll need to navigate to your Zoho Inventory account. Open your browser and head over to zoho.com/inventory, then log in with your credentials. Once you're in, you'll land on your main dashboard where all your inventory management happens. Now look to the top right corner of your screen where you'll see a settings gear icon. Click on that icon to access all your account configurations. This is where the magic happens for customizing how Zoho Inventory works for your specific needs. In the settings menu, you'll find various sections. Look for the one labeled automation, and under that, select workflow rules. This is the control center for all your automation workflows, where you can create rules that automatically execute actions based on triggers and conditions you define. Once you're in the workflow rules section, click on the plus new workflow rule button at the top right corner of the page. This opens up the workflow creation wizard that will guide you through setting up your automation step by step. The first thing you'll need to do is select which module you want to automate. Zoho Inventory lets you automate different areas like sales orders, purchase orders, or items. Choose the one that fits what you're trying to accomplish and click Next. You'll now be prompted to give your workflow a name. Enter something descriptive in the workflow name field so you can easily identify what this automation does later when you have multiple workflows running. Next comes the trigger selection. This determines when your workflow will kick into action. You can choose from options like on create, on edit, or on delete by checking the appropriate boxes. For example, if you want something to happen every time a new sales order is created, you'd select on create. Now here's where you can get specific with your automation. Click add criteria if you want this workflow to only execute when certain conditions are met. If you want it to run every time regardless of conditions, simply select no to apply it universally. If you chose to add criteria, you'll define your conditions by selecting a field, choosing a comparator like equals or greater than, and entering a value. You can add multiple conditions by clicking plus add criterion and combine them using and or logic to create complex automation rules. Once your conditions are set, click next to move on to the actions. This is where you decide what the workflow actually does automatically. You might choose to send an email notification, update a field value, or create a task for your team. For each action you select, you'll need to configure the specific details. This could mean specifying email recipients, writing the message content, or setting which field values should be updated. Take your time here to ensure everything is set up exactly how you need it. Finally, click Save to activate your automation workflow. Your new automation is now live and will start working in the background, handling those repetitive tasks automatically based on the rules you've defined. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.